Hi, you want to be an outstanding massage therapist? Then you have come to the right place. I am Ulf Pape from Germany and have been teaching therapeutic bodywork for many years. This short tutorial is about the integration of Thai massage and Western Earl massage. And off we go. Start by stretching the tibialis anterior and quadriceps muscles. Release your power from your center of gravity. Then place the bent leg on the bench so that you can stretch the single-jointed adductors. Now acupress the bent and stretched leg with the alternating pressure of your palms. Notice the tension in the muscles. Apply intense pressure, but make sure that the pressure is not too strong. It is important that those being treating breathe deeply and evenly. Alternate the pressure of your palms up to the groin and back again. You can now continue the massage treatment on the bench. If you liked my tutorial, then subscribe to my channel. Thank you for your attention.